Hi and welcome to my channel. I promised to share a video on how to heat your own plantain leaves at home in case you cannot get it from the market. But for that to happen, you must have fresh banana leaves or plantain leaves in your area. You should maybe have it somewhere around you before you can actually proceed with this method. In another video, I'll share tips on how to wrap maybe your one dishes like kwakoko, bible, cocky corn, cocky beans if you do not have plantain leaves or banana leaves in your corner. That is a separate video that will be coming up. So you're welcome to this video and let us proceed. So I thought to share with you guys as well. You should know that when it comes to tying either cocky beans, cocky corn or kwakoko bible or even egusi pudding, you buy plantain leaves according to the dish that you want to cook. For cocky requires whole plantain leaves. The kind of leaves that they sell to you if you tell them in the market that you want to cook cocky corn or cocky beans is way different from the kind of leaves that they will sell if you want to cook kwakoko bible or egusi pudding. When it comes to kwakoko bible or egusi pudding, they can cut the leaves into smaller pieces like this. But for cocky, it is somewhat bigger. It is practically just folded into two. So this is what you practically need to do. You can use a gas stove, you can use your fireside, you can use your charcoal pot
to warm your leaves, but make sure that when you are warming your leaves, you're running it through the fire. You're not letting it sit on one spot. So this is just what you're doing. You're running your leaf through. Do not worry. Once you are done, that is where you're supposed to wipe or wash your leaves. That can easily be done by using just a sponge, a soft foam, and water. You just wipe it gently because they are very delicate. So that is just it. And you are done. You're practically done warming your leaves. There's the hot water method, which I've already explained, where you put your leaves in a bowl and you add hot or warm water to it. You will see the transformation instantly. Know that when you're warming your leaves and you're getting it right, your leaves become softer. They are no longer firm, fresh. Now this is a result of drying your leaves. It tends to look like this when it must have properly cooled down. So this is just how it looks. In other cases, this leaf has been warmed and set aside for a while, so it tends to look darker. Now you should know that if your leaves are not spread, they tend to get bad, catch mold and all of that because they still have a little moisture. People don't just dry leaves like that. So you can see that this one is dry. However, you should make sure to spread your leaves if you're not using them on the same day, so you do not let them get bad. So this is practically how to deal with plantain leaves. Plantain leaves can be used for a variety of things. I'm here just showing you how to fold it if you're making kwakoko, and then you bend the tops and the bottom. In another video, I'll be showing you guys how to wrap cocky in particular, kwakoko in particular. That's a separate video that will be coming up. Plantain leaves, like I was saying, is used for so many things. Most times people use plantain leaves to wrap fresh vegetables. Do you know? Are you aware of that? Now, if you want to pack plantain leaves to travel with, you can just warm your leaves, fold and add to a Ziploc bag. Now this is a form of exporting your leaves, and I've already highlighted the method of preservation, how to preserve your plantain leaves. If you do not have a fridge, you can preserve your plantain leaves in your house by just spreading it. Now, if you do have a fridge, then you can place your plantain leaves in it. Most people do that. Now for exportation, this is how it should look. Now this is the fresh one, and look at how it breaks. I am strongly discouraging anyone from traveling with fresh plantain leaves. You never can tell, because when it comes to contact with heat, it starts to mold and it gets bad because you're keeping it in a sealed plastic, a Ziploc bag. However, if this leaf has to stand in your compound for a while, it will not get bad because it has access to fresh air and many more. So it's not going to get bad. It can be there for days. It just starts to dry up and some parts starts to have like some dark spots. Now plantain leaves can be used for a variety of things, to make kwakoko Bible, for egusi pudding. It is just like the other type of leaf used in Cameroon, gongo leaf. Plantain leaf is equally used to tie things like koki, be it koki corn, koki beans. It is also used to steam most food. Most of the times it is used to layer a pot so food does not have any direct contact with fire. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next.